Well, all right now, how's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you guys around, and I'm thinking about what I'm going to buck up next here. Right now, I've showed you this locust wood before, and locust is not very prone to rotting, but I want to get this wood out of the dirt here sometime. You can see how wet it is out here. All this wood's going to go to waste if I don't get to it. So some of it's up off the ground, and you can see it's got these sprouts out of it. That's pretty cool. It's still trying to grow. That one's still alive, but it looks like some of the other ones, the leaves have fallen off of them. I guess they already gave up or something. I don't know, but that was one right there too now, and I guess it gave up and decided that it was a dead piece of wood. It was going to be firewood. But that's pretty cool how it tried to do that. So I'm trying to decide here what the heck I'm going to do. I'm either going to buck up some of this locust. Now that wood's all up off the ground. That's good to go, but this log right here kind of needs to get out of dirt. It's on a little bit of a support there, so it's not a huge rush. I think I'm going to go for this ash down here because the ash is a little more dry and it will dry faster than that locust. Even if I buck that locust wood up right now, it still dries a little bit slower. It's a lot denser, a lot heavier burning wood, and it's also a hotter burning wood. So I think I'm going to have to let the locust lie because it's everything I just said. It's a little rot. It's rot resistant. It'll take long to dry, and a lot of it is up off the ground, as you can see. So it's not horrible, but there's another big one back there with a sprout on it right there. So I want to get that locust out of here too, and it's surrounded by a bunch of oak. But I think I'm going to come down here and just buck up a little bit more of this ash down here. It dries a lot faster, and then I'll probably come back another day and buck up that poplar wood for him and try to get it out of the middle of the road. That's a lot of work right now. I've been out here for 5 hours already, and the time got away from me. So I'm probably just going to buck up a little more ash and call it a day today. So stay tuned, here we go. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to go ahead and buck up this ash wood. And it's kind of a jumbled up pile a little bit there, but I think I can get to these logs on top pretty easily. There's a couple of them over here, so I'll set you guys up right in this area and just kind of do some bucking on this wood. And I'll have to come back another time and split it. I've been out here almost 6 hours already today, so that's what we're doing today. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and if you watched the last video, there's a lot going on around here. I got a bunch of work that I can do, and it's just kind of overwhelming. There's so much stuff going on, but let me get my saw fired up. I'm looking at it right now. I need to tighten the chain up on my saw, and we'll get going on this thing. You can see my chain. It's hanging down there. See how loose that is? So I need to tighten that up real quick, and then we'll just get to bucking this up here for a few minutes, and I'll come back another day and split this ash wood. All right, everybody, I got my chain tightened up on that saw, and I'm just gonna get it fired up and do some bucking. So I hope you guys enjoy the show. All right, now everybody, that's going to be about it for this video. That hurricane was last week, and it's just nasty out here. I just feel really gross. I'm really dirty. That bitch came through a Helene and messed up all kinds of stuff. So I thought I'd get more work done today, but I'm about ready to go home. It's been about 6 hours, and I got about 2.5 ricks of wood made, and I had that guy stuck in the mud and was filming videos. I went live for a little bit. I did all kinds of things, so I just wanted to make another short video while I'm here, because it's hard to stay up on videos when it's been raining and I'm doing deliveries and all that stuff. So there's going to be some more footage at the end of this, so stay tuned and check it out. But this is that pile of ash wood, and I'm just kind of slowly working on it now. So I might take another couple bucks off of it before I leave, but I'm not going to film it all. I'm running low on batteries, so stay tuned. I'll put a little more things about some deliveries and stuff at the end of this video. But you can see how messy it is out here. That's where that's how that guy got stuck in the mud. I mean, it's just a mess out here. I thought it'd be cleaned up better than that. It's been sitting for about a day and a half, maybe 2 days. I can't remember, but it needs more time to dry out here. It's just so messy being out here in this wood lot right now. So thanks for joining me, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. And I got some footage of some deliveries and some pretty cool stuff to show you guys about some slab wood coming up next. Well, here we are now, as promised. I'm going to show you guys around. This is a really nice customer I have, and this is the first load of wood. That's almost a quart of wood I brought him. I told him it would be 2.5 ricks, and I really packed it in heavy that first load, and it's really about a quart. So he got a great deal on that first load. But this gentleman has all kinds of fireplaces and fire pits and burns a lot of wood, and he has a slab business. I'm not exactly sure everything he does, but he resells all these slabs, and you can see all this wood. And it's just lined up out here, so it's a really neat place, and he needs a bunch of wood. He said just keep bringing it as much as I can bring. So that's what he's got going on, and I don't know if he has any extra wood that's junk wood I could have or not. I may ask him one day if he has any trash. I'd take it and make firewood out of it. But we're back now, and this is load number 2. So I brought another 2.5 ricks of wood out here for him, and that's what it looks like after load number 2 now. I just keep piling it up, and I'm trying to keep it tall and keep it up off the ground. And moving right along, here we are after load number 3. That's another 2.5 ricks of wood, and he still wants more. He said keep bringing it. He said he'll burn that in about a month, so he's getting ready to get fired up here and fire up all the fireplaces. I haven't asked him if he has a wood boiler, but I'm going to keep bringing them. It's a good customer. So here we go. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you next time.